Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel Proper Guidance. Today we will learn about how to draw a flowchart to solve the problem of a non-functioning light bulb. We have already discussed the previous section of this chapter, chapter number 4, Introduction to Problem Solving for CBSE Class 11 Computer Science. Okay, so those who are new to my channel, please go through all the previous chapters for your convenient. It will be helpful for you to understand the entire chapter. So I will start here today for drawing a flowchart. Okay, drawing a flowchart. How to draw a flowchart to solve the problem of a non-functioning light bulb. Now see, this is a pictorial representation of an algorithm. The first point is here, start. This is the starting point. What is it? This is the starting point, right? This is the starting point. Okay, okay. Now here, this is the flow of the control. Is the bulb switched on? Whether it is switched on or not. What is it? Wait, just wait. This one, decision box. This is known as decision box, right? Decision box. This is asked here, is the bulb switched on? Yes or no? Yes. This is no and this is yes. When we come to this no, switch on, if this is not switched on, we have to switch on it. Then we will see another decision box, another decision box, another decision box, right? Another decision box to check whether the bulb is on or off, whether the bulb is on or off, on or off. Just look at the picture. If yes, then it's okay. This is the yes branch and this is the no branch. For no, we have to go here. And if this is yes, or from this decision, we will get one branch is here for no and another for yes. Right. So for yes branch, we will get this one. Is it burnt out? Yes, replace the bulb and then stop. Or is it burnt out? No. Then call electrician and it will be checked and go to bulb on? Yes. Then come here and then stop. Okay. And if this is no, then is the bulb switched on? Bulb on? No. Then we have to go here again. So this is the ending point, end point. Okay. So in this way, we have to draw a flowchart. All these things are known as decision box. We have already discussed it. This is decision box. Oh, sorry. All these are decision box.